Okay, hello there, I'm Dennis, and in this video we're going to install a web camera, show you what I had to do to install my webcam and to get it to work. First thing I'm going to have to do is install some packages, so before you install these packages, it's always recommended to do a system update. After you get that done, you're going to want to install webcamd, as well as cheese is what I chose for a web camera software, but there are other options, one being called webcamoid, pwcview, and komoso. pwcview it opens up using a command rather than having something in your start menu. Once you get those installed there, you're going to want to go to your rc.conf file with sudo privileges. You're going to make an entry right here, webcamd. This is mine here. I'll highlight it. Webcamd is right here. And you're going to want to put this entry in there, webcamd _enable equals yes. Once you get that, and you got that in your rc.conf file, you can close that out, and then you're going to open up. Then you're going to edit your /boot/loader.conf file, and you're going to add this following file right here. Let me click on there. Right here, cuse, C-U-S-E, _load equals double quotes, yes, double quotes. All right, then when you get that done, you close out of that. Leave the editor and close that out. And the last step that you're going to do is you're going to add yourself to some groups. A couple of ways you can add yourself to groups. If you already know the name of the group, you can use a command here, sudo pw groupmod, and then whatever that group name is, space -m, lowercase m, and then your username. Another way to do it is to go into Etsy/Etsy group, and here you'll find a list of all the groups, and you'll be able to add yourself some groups, and there's a couple here you're going to definitely want to do. Let's see, didn't go down low enough there. You're going first thing you're going to have to do is put yourself in the webcamd group. Very important. Without this, the only way you're going to get a webcam, the only way I could get a webcam to open up was to bring up a terminal, type in sudo or su, and go into super user, and then type in cheese, for example. And that's the only way they would open up and actually read. I'm saying that wrong. The program itself would open up, but it would say no cameras found. And regardless of what, I used a couple of those for the options there. I used pwcview, it didn't work. Webcamoid, they all would say the same thing. They would open, but they would not find a camera. Once I put myself in the webcamd group and tried it again, it opened right up. I've got it running right now. I have OBS Studio running right now, so I'm not going to show you. But this is a quick way. If you're already in groups, which you are during the installation, then all of that's been created for you, and this will be the list of groups. Once you install VirtualBox, you'll have to put yourself in this group too. I'm through in there. I'm going to exit out. Oops. I get myself in the right position there. Leave the editor, and I might as well just close that out and get it out of the way. So very easy. Go ahead and install webcamd. That's not an option. And then your option of the webcam, in my case, I used the cheese, which is pretty decent webcam. And then as sudo or super user, you're going to edit your Etsy rc.conf file and add webcamd enable _enable yes. Edit your bootloader.conf file, put cuse _enable equals yes, or cuse, and then add yourself to the appropriate group, which in this case will be webcamd right here. that does it. Now you can open up. I've made some changes. I'm going to save those. Now you should be able to, if you use cheese, for example, you should be able to go into your start menu. If you're using the start menu, find cheese and open it up, now, which I can't do because, like I said, OBS is running. So that should help you with the webcam. But I know it took me a minute to find out how to use one. I was getting a little frustrated. I guess that's the whole thing about learning. You know, you learn a little bit, then you worry a little bit, then you learn a little bit more, and then you don't worry so much. So anyway, another reason why I'm making this video is I just want to say, my dad is 87 years old, and he's fixing to move into the same house as me so that I can help take care of him. There is a chance that my videos will drop back down to one a week. For a long time, I was producing one a week, you know, and then I had more time, so I started producing as many as I can. Not as many as I can, quality-wise, as many as I can. And so he's going to be moving in here, and that's going to require a different schedule for me. And I'm looking forward to this, actually. If I don't get a video out every week, there's a reason why. But I'm going to try it. There's no reason once he gets settled in next couple of weeks. There's no reason why I can't go back into, you know, doing my regular production. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. And I'm going to see my dad in a little bit here. Peace out. Bye.